Do you ever just have a car that sounds so good that apparently it warrants a copyright request? So I know this happens to other YouTubers like Mr. Beast and literally everyone I watch, where we get claims for something I can't quite understand. I'm not going to care anymore. Point is, whatever. It expires November 6th, so we're just going to wait it out. I do think it's salty that it gave me a strike instead of giving me a warning. Usually it tells you, yo, your video is privated or enlisted. You've received a warning. It's no longer public. You have to take the video down. This one was just straight up. It suddenly skipped to strike and then the video was automatically taken down. I think that's stupid. Apologies for the fact that I'm re-uploading this, but I'm sure some of you guys will just love hearing the sound again. I don't know if it's the sound itself that pisses them off because it was apparently copyrighted by Ferrari Scuderia, which is Now, before we end this video, I would like to thank LS Experts for tuning as well as installing the custom headers. I would also like to thank all of you guys on Twitter as well as on Instagram who left really funny comments or pictures or just comparisons. It really made my day, and it made me realize how cool it was that we could all enjoy this mod for something that isn't typically done to a Corvette. It was very challenging because it is a pushrod and it is not dual overhead cam, much less it's not even single overhead cam, it's a freaking pushrod. Pushrods don't rev very high, and they certainly are not flat plane cranks, they're cross plane cranks. So it was really difficult to get it to sound this high pitched and this smooth because it wants to be choppy. It wants to be brumbly. It was definitely something that is against the intention of a pushrod from a sound standpoint, but I want to do it because why not? It's the land of the free. I can make my car sound however I want. A lot of people thought that it was very, very strange of me to quote unquote mess up an American icon and make it sound European. Look, I don't care. If anything, that's a testament to how diverse and how cool the pushrod is, that it can do all of these various things and be this very versatile engine. I always loved the sound of European cars, but I did not like their reliability. Let's be real, Ferraris aren't exactly the greatest cars to have if you want a daily driver, much less a functional car in general. Now, of course, you'll always have those people who just suck at hearing, be it non-car guys or even car guys who think every other car sounds the same, because I always get those posts from people like, I don't get it, it sounds like any other Corvette. I hope the end of this video where I did all those comparisons really clarified that up, because the deep rumbling sound does not sound like a high-pitched smoothness sound. If you think they do, you really need to get your ears checked. Other than that, thank you guys very much for watching, and thank you guys for supporting this channel. Again, I'd very much recommend you guys check out my headers video if you want to do something insane to your car and change its tone entirely. Instead of just straight piping and making it loud, go for tone. Other than that, see y'all next time. Blade Angel out.